S-A-M. Very good. Let's put that together to make a word. S-A-M. Sam. Very good. Now we have B-I-R-D. B-I-R-D. Bird. Very good. It's a bird. Excellent. Now we have H-A-T. H-A-T. Hat. Excellent. K-O-L-D. Cold. Cold. You've got it. Very, very good. I think Sam is cold. That's why he's got a hat on. Now we have bag. Bag. It's a bag. Very good. Red. 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 Oh, look, it's a red bag. Sam has a red bag. I think he's getting ready for school. Let's continue. You're doing so well. Now we have frog. 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 Very good. Pink. 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 Excellent. We have a green frog and a pink flamingo. Here we have fox. Fox. That's right. Fox. You're reading so nicely. And then we have glad. 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 Ah, glad. Sam and the fox do look very glad. They look happy. Here we have egg. 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 Oh, look at eggs. Nest. 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 That's right. Look, the eggs are in the nest. Very good. What do we have now? Here we have duck. But when we have k and k, we say it once. Duck. Duck. Very good. Sit. Sit. Excellent. What's Sam doing over here? Let's try and read. We have ant. 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 Very, very good. Then we have on. On. That's right. Sam is on the ant. Why, here's Sam looking very sweet. He's like a magician. What do we have on this page? We have wand. 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 He's got a wand. That's how you spell the word wand. He's got a magic wand. Then we have black. Got it. That's a hard one. Black. Here we have ink. Ink. Oh, look, Sam's spilling the ink. Sat. Sat. That's right. I can see him. Can you see Sam in the igloo? Well, children, you read so nicely. I'm so proud of you.